Given that z1 is equal to 5 plus 5i, z2 is 1 plus 2i, and z3 is 3 minus 2i, calculate these two expressions. So first of all, z1 divided by z2, or let's write it out. It's 5 plus 5i divided by 1 plus 2i. And to work this out, we're going to multiply by 1 in the form of the conjugate of the denominator over the conjugate of the denominator. And we're going to get 5 minus 10i plus 5i minus 10i squared over difference of 2 squares on the bottom. It's going to be 1 squared minus 2i squared. Remembering that I squared is equal to negative 1, this is going to become plus 10, so we get 15, and then minus 5i. And then in the denominator, we've got 1 minus, and then 2i squared is going to be 4i squared, but I squared is minus 1, so that's minus 4. We've got 1 take away negative 4 gives me 5. Which gives me 3 minus 1i. For this one, we have a few extra steps to go through. First of all, let's write it out. z1 squared is 5 plus 5i squared over z2, 1 plus 2i, and z3 star. Remember that star means the conjugate. So we're taking the conjugate of 3 minus 2i, which is 3 plus 2i. Expanding this all out, we're going to get 25 plus 50i plus 25i squared over 3 plus 2i plus 6i plus 4i squared. Remembering that I squared is negative 1, this is going to simplify to the 25 minus 25 is going to cancel, so we get 50i over, this has become minus 4, so minus 1 plus 8i. And now we can rationalize this by multiplying by minus 1 minus 8i over minus 1 minus 8i. We get minus 50i and then minus 400i squared over difference of 2 squareds, minus 1 squared minus 8i squared, which is going to be, well, this is going to become positive 400 because I squared is negative 1. Minus 50i over 1 minus 64i squared. So that becomes plus 64, so we're dividing by 65. 400 divided by 65 is going to give me 80 over 13. Take away 50 over 65 gives me 10 over 13i. That's my final answer.